Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage social media campaigns with Hootsuite, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, create a Hootsuite account if you don't already have one. Visit the Hootsuite website and click on the Get Started for Free button. Fill in your email address and set a password for your account. Once your account is created, you'll be taken to the Hootsuite dashboard. Next, you need to connect your social media profiles. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the dashboard. Select Manage Social Networks from the drop-down menu. Choose the social media platforms you want to connect, like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Follow the prompts to grant Hootsuite permission to manage your accounts. Now, let's create your first social media campaign. Click on the Compose button at the top of the dashboard. In the pop-up window, select the social networks you want to post on. Write your captivating message or post content in the text box. Add any links or hashtags relevant to your campaign. If desired, upload images or videos by clicking on the Attach button. Preview your post to ensure everything looks good. You can either publish it immediately or schedule it for a later date. To schedule, click on the calendar icon, then select your desired date and time. Once set, click Schedule to finalize your post. Next, monitor your campaign's performance using Hootsuite's analytics tools. Go to the Analytics tab on the left sidebar of your dashboard. Select the social network you want to analyze. Review key metrics like engagement, reach, and impressions. Use this data to assess what's working and what needs improvement. Now, let's engage with your audience. Go back to the dashboard and click on the Streams tab. Set up streams for different social networks to track mentions, comments, and messages. Respond to audience interactions directly from Hootsuite to maintain engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.